A very hearty welcome to this new episode of Spell Talk 2, the program based on vocabulary enhancement. Let us now consider the second part of the confusing pairs of words starting with the C. Our first pair is Chord chord and Chord chord. Now, Chord chord means the string of a musical instrument, veena-kambi, tantri, etc. The word can be used in certain figurative expressions like strike a chord, strike an emotional chord, etc. Okay, now the second word in the pair is Chord chord, and that means a thin rope or a thick string used for tying something. Charada, pasham, etc. Okay, now we can move on to our second pair, and that is Cite, Cite, and Site, Cite. Now, Cite, Cite means quote, uddhariക്കുക. For example, he is fond of citing popular sayings from Shakespeare. Okay, that is cite. Now, this word cite has another meaning also, and that is to provide examples or reasons for supporting an argument. For example, he cited his heavy workload as the reason for his mental breakdown. So that is Cite, Cite. Now we can see the next word in the pair, and that is Site, Cite. Site, Cite means a place where something is, was, or will be. So Malayalam, sthanam, sthiti cheyyunna sthalam, etc. For example, we can say that place is the site for the new engineering college. Now, our next pair, Collusion, collusion, and the other word in the pair is Collusion, collusion. Now, first collusion, Collusion, collusion means hitting or striking or clashing against each other. Malayalam, Sangatanam, Kootimuttal, etc. So we can use it in a sentence. For example, 3 people died in the head-on collision between the car and the bus yesterday. Okay, that is collision. Now, the next word is collusion. Collusion. Collusion means a secret agreement or understanding to harm somebody. Rahasya dharana. For example, we can say there is a collusion between some corrupt police officials and drug cartels. Okay, that is collusion and collusion. Now, our next pair is Coma, C-O-M-A, and Coma, C-O-M-M-A. So let us see the first word, that is Coma, C-O-M-A. Coma means an unnatural, deep sleep caused by severe injury or some serious illness. Malayalam, abodhavastha. Okay, that is coma. So we can use it in a sentence. He has been in a coma after the accident. Now we can consider the other word in the pair, and that is C-O-M-M-A, coma. And C-O-M-M-A, comma means a punctuation mark used to represent a slight pause in the sentence, alpaviramam. Okay, our next pair is complacent, C-O-M-P-L-A-C-E-N-T, complacent. And the other word is C-O-M-P-L-A-I-S-A-N-T, complacent. Okay, let us see the first word in that pair, and that is complacent, C-O-M-P-L-A-C-E-N-T. And that word means too satisfied with oneself or with a situation. Atmasamtriptiyulla. For example, you should not become complacent after scoring the first goal. Okay, that's complacent. Now the next word is complaisant, complacent. Complacent means willing to satisfy and please others. Malayalam, anunayamulla. For example, my servant is very complacent. Okay, now we have another pair, and that is complement. Complement, 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 and the other word is complement, complement. So let us see the first in the pair, and that is complement, 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 which means that which completes. Puragam, paripuragam, etc. Now we can use it in a sentence. Man is the complement of woman. Now our next word in the pair is complement, complement, and the word means praise, greetings, etc. That is prasamsa, upajaram, and so on. Such words are used. Now there is another meaning also for compliment, and that is something given or granted or presented free of cost, and that is paritoshikam. Okay, with that we come to the end of the second part of the confusing pairs of words starting with C. So it's goodbye for the time being till we meet again at the same time, same day next week.